Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video or tutorial you will learn how you can stop sharing your location in your SoloLearn application on mobile in 2026. So let us begin. Alright, in the first step, launch the SoloLearn app. I'm using it on my Android, as you can see, for demonstration purposes. Here guys, what you want to do is make sure that you're logged in with your account. Of course, tap into these three lines in the top left, navigate to settings at the bottom of that drop down menu. And here swipe all the way down to get to your account settings, and here under location services, simply make sure that the switch here to the right is turned off. And as you can see, if you do this, for example, if you turn it off and try to turn it back again, your Android phone may or might ask you if you really want to allow SoloLearn to have access to this device's location, which I'm going to deny, and that is going to turn the location sharing off again, or the location permission. That's how it works, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.